How to fix Facebook and Messenger app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, you can also try to enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again and see if the Facebook and Messenger application works. If not, then you can simply open the Facebook or Messenger application and then swipe up on your screen and force quit the Facebook Messenger app along with all the apps running in the background and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then open App Store and then tap on the search bar there and search for Facebook and Messenger, and make sure that the Facebook and Messenger applications are updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your app further. And if that does not help too, then simply you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor app issues on your iPhone. And even after restarting your iPhone, if your issue is not fixed yet, then launch the Settings application and then tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Facebook and Messenger, and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will delete the app data and keep its documents and data safe. And just in case, if your issue is not fixed yet, then simply open a preferred browser and in the search bar search for Facebook server status and see if the server is down. And just in case, if the server is down, you will not have any other option but to simply wait for the server to work. As soon as the server works, the Facebook and Messenger application will work just fine. And the last resort is, if your issue is not fixed yet, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Facebook and Messenger applications manually, and then go ahead and tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Go ahead and delete the app and then reinstall the applications from App Store again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook and Messenger application not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.